Got your new ColorFit Pro 3 watch? It's easy to use it, but before you start using it, make sure that your smartwatch and phone are next to each other and are fully charged. Switch on, charge, and connect. Switch on. To turn on the watch, long press the side button. Long vibration indicates it is turning on. Charge. Before using the ColorFit Pro 3 for the first time, make sure it is fully charged. Plug the charger cable into the USB port. Make sure that you don't use a fast charging adapter to prevent future watch damage. Align the magnetic charger along with the pins on the back of the watch. A short vibration indicates that the watch is charging. Now make sure to charge the watch till the battery icon shows full. Connect. Now let's get you connected. Download the NoiseFit app on your phone. Turn on the watch and scan the QR code from your phone and confirm the pairing on the watch. Watch navigation. Follow the video to know how to navigate the various features in your ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch. Let's get started. Home screen. Swipe down to go to the notification bar. Press the side button to go back to the home screen. Swipe up to see the quick settings. Press the side button or swipe down to go back to the home screen. Swipe left or right to access shortcut menus. Quick settings. Let's navigate through the quick setting features of the ColorFit Pro 3. Turn on the watch. Swipe up from the home screen to go to quick settings. Here you'll find different features of the smartwatch: Do Not Disturb, Wrist Awake, Brightness, and Find My Phone mode. Watch navigation. There are a bunch of features in the ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch. Let's take you through them. Press the side button to turn on the display. Now press the side button again to access the menu in the watch. Sports modes and goals. Select Sports. Tap to choose your desired workout. Set goals. You can set duration, steps, and distance goals. Now tap the open goal to start. Swipe right to pause or end the recording. Tap pause icon to pause or tap X icon to end the game. Goals. Tap on the goals to get a detailed daily activity report on your watch. Swipe up to check out the distance covered, steps taken, active minutes, and calories burned. You can set or edit your daily activity goals on the NoiseFit app. Swipe right to go back to the menu screen. For healthcare features. Heart rate. Select the heart rate to start the measurement. Ensure that there is no gap between the back panel of the watch and the wrist. Hold still while it measures your heart rate. Real-time heart rate. Turn on the real-time heart rate feature. Turn on the real-time heart rate. Stress levels. Select the stress levels to start the measurement. Ensure that there is no gap between the back panel of the watch and the wrist. Hold still while it measures your stress levels. Blood oxygen. Select blood oxygen. The feature will automatically measure your blood oxygen level once you choose it. Ensure that there is no gap between the back panel of the watch and the wrist. Hold still while it measures your blood oxygen. Breathe. Select Breathe. Follow the on-screen instructions. Sleep. Tap Sleep to view your previous sleep duration. Music player. Before starting the music player, pair your watch with your smartphone. Keep them close and start the music. Open the music control. Play, pause, change track, control volume remotely from the watch. Additional watch features. Weather. Tap to see the weather report. Stopwatch. Go to Stopwatch and press play. Alarm. Select alarms and set the alarm time on the watch. Timer. Go to the timer, choose a time or set your own time. Tap play to start or tap X to go back. Records. Go to Records and check out your previous activity records. Find phone. Go to Find Phone feature and tap the screen to find your phone. Your phone will start ringing and vibrating if it is within Bluetooth range. Press the screen again after the phone is found. There are many features in the ColorFit Pro 3 smartwatch that aid in its smooth functioning. Let's take you through them. Turn on the watch by pressing the side button. Go to Settings. Wrist Awake. Turn on the Wrist Awake feature. Do Not Disturb. Turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. Watch Faces. Choose the dial to change the watch face. You can also change or edit the watch face from the NoiseFit app. We'll share those steps later. Choose the watch face of your choice. Brightness. Tap to adjust the brightness as per your preference. You can choose the brightness control duration as per your preference. You can also turn on the automatic brightness control. Power off. Tap on Power off. Click on X to cancel. Click on the tick mark to power off. Restart. Tap on Restart. Click on X to cancel. Click on the tick mark to restart. Reset. Tap on Reset. Click on X to cancel or click on the tick mark to reset. Click on X to cancel or click on the tick mark to confirm. About. Tap on About to know the details of the watch. App Walkthrough. User Setup. It's easy to set up your NoiseFit app. Here's how. Download the app. Sign up and add your personal information. App Navigation. Let's begin your NoiseFit app tour. Summary. Open the app. Go to Summary and check out your health summary for the day. Check out the step count, sleep hours, distance, heart rate, stress count, and the blood oxygen level. Shop. Go to Noise Shop and check out the latest products offered by Noise. Activity. Open the app. Go to the activity page. Check your activity report. See all your activities performed for this month. Tap any activity to see the details. Watch face. Go to Watch Face and choose the watch face of your choice. Or you can follow the on-screen instructions to customize a watch face. You can also choose an image from the gallery, customize it, and set it as your watch face. Here's your second part of the NoiseFit app tour. Settings. Open the app. Go to Device. Go to Check Updates to keep your watch up to date. Music controls. Turn on the music control to remotely control music on your phone. Idle Alert. Select Idle Alert. Turn on the idle and set the repeat, frequency, and time duration for all the alerts. Do Not Disturb mode. Turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. Auto Heart Rate Monitor. Go to Auto Heart Rate Monitor and turn it on. Google Fit. Turn it on to sync the data with your Google Fit account. Find My Phone. Turn on the Find My Phone so you can track your phone from the watch as long as both the devices are within Bluetooth range. Wrist Sense. Turn on the Wrist Sense. Drink Water Reminder. Go to Drink Water Reminder. Turn it on and select the frequency, time, and repeat for the days. Set Device Time. Go to Set Device Time. Choose to sync device time with your paired smartphone. Select Time Format and save. Weather Settings. Go to Weather Updates and turn on the Weather Updates. Female Healthcare. Go to Female Healthcare. Turn it on and feed in the menstrual setting and reminder detail. Notifications and Alerts. Go to Notifications and Alerts. Turn it on. Choose the features for which you want to get notified. Make sure to provide access permission to the app. My Alarms. Go to Alarms. Choose to add new alarms. Feed in the frequency and timing details and save. Hand Wash. Go to Hand Wash Reminder. Turn it on and feed in the frequency and time span for each alarm. Sports recognition. Go to sports recognition. Turn it on. Auto stress. Go to auto stress. Turn it on. Factory reset. Select factory reset. Choose cancel to cancel the factory resetting and choose yes to go ahead with the reset.